Hey guys, this is Brandon with Mountain Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection tip. Alright, here we are on this roof. We're here in Tacoma, this fine summer evening. I want to look at this flashing with you here. Some pretty rough condition is flashing. First of all, we got this piece of flashing here. This is not secured. This, yeah, that's even worse right there. Okay, so this is not sure. My fingers come underneath it this way here. Okay, you can also see that there's no counter flashing. That would be the flashing that would come up from underneath the shingles here, underneath the flashing to keep any water from getting in. There's no possibility for water to get in there. Obviously, you can see here, inside here, it's kind of hard to see that, but you can see the framing inside here. So this thing needs some definite help. They made an attempt at flashing it. Here, some mastic peeling up there. So actually, we got some rocks actually falling off this. There's a rock right there that fell off. A bunch of rocks falling off this chimney here too. So this guy needs some work. A rain cap obviously too. So once again, good idea to get a home inspection. Can't say it enough, even new construction. This is Brandon with Mountain Sound Home Inspection. We'll see you on the next one.